ask me how my skin and hair look so healthy despite of my hectic lifestyle. Well, the answer is choosing the right brand that takes care of my skin and hair amidst the hectic journey of life.
Today I'm going to share 2 star products of my daily routine that have helped me achieve a glowing skin and smooth hair. Number 1 is hair serum from Lilium Cosmetics, enriched with avocado oil and vitamin E that makes my hair smooth, shiny and tangle free. It repairs the hair shaft and protects the strands from harmful UV rays. It makes my hair manageable and frizz-free. Next I have the Vitamin C Serum from Lilium Cosmetics. That is absolute game changer. It brightens up the skin and reduces wrinkles and scar. It also repairs sun damage and gives skin hydration. It evens out skin tone and treats dry skin also.
Do check out Lilium Cosmetic entire range of products only at www.liliumcosmetic.com or Amazon, Myntra, Meesho and Flipkart.